Last of the gas-powered lawnmower, people. You better buy them now if you want a gas-powered lawnmower. I mean, that green one was $2.99. This one's $2.69. $3.69 if you want a bag. They all got the same motor, looks like. All the motors look the same. That one's $4.19, $4.59. Now here's the electric ones they start in. $3.29, $4.29, $3.29. Here's another one. $3.49, $4.49, $3.99, $4.49, $5.49, $6.49, $7.49. The last ones I mentioned were the battery-powered lawnmowers. You know, I have a hard enough time finding a battery for my power drill. Do the store stock extra batteries for them? But if you want a gas-powered lawnmower, you better buy it now. And like the guy says, you'll need 50 batteries if you have a lawn service. Great excuse to get your kids out of mowing the lawn. Oh, the lawnmower's not charged. It'll never be plugged in.